And I love when I get to bring you Temptations on clearance in the patterns that you love, Old World and Floral Lace, in the colors that you love and maybe are collecting. If not collecting, this is such a great place to start. We'll run through all that in a moment. But this is a 6-piece oval called Centertaining set. These pieces, I think, are so unique and unusual and have so many gorgeous uses. You're looking at it right here in the green, but I just want you to see everything that you're getting. You're getting 2 of these canisters, and they are 12 ounces each, and they each come with this great little plastic lid. You are getting this 1.25 quart canister. Not only does that have the plastic lid, it also has this great wooden lid as well that can also be used, P.S., as a trivet. And then, I mean, this is a hero piece if there ever was one. This is your baker. It's 1 3/4 quarts. That beautiful wooden lid. It looks beautiful on top, but I'm talking charcuterie. I'm talking all sorts of serving options. Let me take you through your colors. Put this up here. All right, we're gonna do some colors, and then I'm gonna bring back in Lisa Lasorte. Okay, so starting up here, this is your Floral Lace. I'm gonna try not to look at my card. This is going to be your blue. This is your light blue. This is, oh, I cheated. This is your eggplant. This is your cranberry, and this is your red. I always like to show those right next to each other. Then we have it in chocolate, spice, can't see what that is, and then black below. Chairs in my way. So that's all your Floral Lace. If you want to talk Old World, we have it in confetti, we have it in blue, we have it in green. Moving on over, we have it in brown, we have it in red, and we have it in cranberry. Moving on over again, we have it in spice, we have it in black, and then we have a couple seasonals, and I don't think we have many of them, so act quickly because this is clearance. When it's gone, it's gone. This is called your Ocean Fetty, and then this is called your Firework Fetty. I totally cheated on that. I panicked. If I go through colors again, I think I can do it. Okay, those are your colors. Those are your patterns. Let me invite back in my dear friend, Lisa Lasorte. How'd I do, Lisa?
I got to tell you something. I'm so proud of you, girl. Ocean Fetty and Firework Fetty. Way to go.
What can I say?
Yeah.
She can be taught.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. Julia, I love this set. You know why? It's so versatile. So if you've never tried Temptations, at this value and all the colors that we have available, it's a great set to try. If you're wondering, what am I going to do with these pieces? Well, just one and about a 1/4 quart right here, this cylinder, is so fantastic to do your hot dips in here. By the way, it's perfect to take a wine bottle, just like so, and put it on ice. We call this a Centertaining set because Centertaining at Temptations means your table is your runway. It's your runway of memories. It's your runway of all your great meals. And the reality is that we're not going out to restaurants as much as we used to right now.
Yep.
So our tables and the way they look are so important. I can't wait to see what you're bringing out of the oven, my friend.
This is torturous right now, and I can smell it already. This isn't fair. Oh. Look at this. This is like you're joking right now, right? This is an enchilada casserole. Oh, and I'm using your Temptations gloves, which are always the best.
Oh, yeah.
Look how glorious this is nice. So if you're having like a Mexican themed evening, which is always my favorite, I mean, you can really use and utilize all these pieces in fun, different, inventive ways. As you saw, we baked the enchilada casserole right here. We're using the trivets. Well, you have your salsa, your pico de gallo, your chilies or cheese, and your jalapenos, everything, and of course your margarita. What am I going to put that in? I could have put a margarita in one of the canisters.
Yeah, you're going to get a straw. That's what you're going to do and have that margarita.
Yeah.
But there's so many great things you can do about it because at the heart of this set are essential pieces. The piece that you are scraping right there, that yummy cheese right off the side, is that 1 1/4 quart, I'm sorry, just under 2 quart, elongated oval baker. We don't make a lot of these, but when you see that low profile, and the fact that it goes in the oven up to 500 degrees in the microwave, the refrigerator, the freezer. And Julie, you talked about these lids. These are bamboo lids. the quality in these pieces, it's just simply amazing.
And I always just love, I had to show how it just, your stoneware is so brilliant, it just pulls right away. So it is the easiest cleanup. From the oven to your table, looking stunning and cutting down on your dishes, which I always really appreciate. You know that, Lisa. This set is so cool. We did the baked potato bar, every piece you're going to use. I'm going to run you through the colors real fast, starting with your floral lace. And we have it in blue and light blue, eggplant, the cranberry and red. We have it in chocolate, spice, and black. We also have it in the green that I forgot to show you because it was out of the way, but that's the green. Thank you. And then down below, we have it in your old world in confetti, blue and green, brown, red, and cranberry, spice, black, ocean Fetty, and firework Fetty. All of that is under $40. Crazy savings, all 6 pieces. Lisa, I'm so happy you can join us for your Kitchen Reimagine and our cooking events.
So nice to see you, Julia. Have a great night and happy eating later.
Oh, goodness. That enchilada is calling my name, let me tell you. All right, we're just taking a little, I'm gonna take a whiff as I walk on by. That smells